Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you can't hear your voice in your video clips on your PlayStation 5. So what you want to do is hold down the sharing button on your PlayStation and open up this screen where you can save your recent gameplay, take a screenshot, etc. And then go all the way to the right to capture options and then go on down and make sure you have include your microphone audio checkmark. All video clips including trophy recordings will include your microphone audio. If you don't have this check mark right here, you won't be able to hear your voice when you're speaking in your video clips. Also, you can go to include party audio. All video clips, including trophy recordings, will include audio from players in the parties who allow their voices to be shared. So make sure you have both of these check marked. Also, if you want to include your voice in other people's video clips or have your friends do this, let's go on to Gamebase and then let's go to start party. And I'm just going to make a close party real quick to go to this option. Now, once this screen opens up, let's go to the three little dots, then go to voice chat settings, then go to where it says share your voice and allow this. Then your voice will be shared with your friends in their video clips. And if your friends do this, you can hear them in your video. Now, another thing you need to take in consideration is if you have volume muted for your video clips. So if you press the PlayStation button, go to the quick menu, then go on over to sound, go to where it says video right here and make sure this is turned up all the way to the right. Otherwise, you won't be able to hear any sound in your video clips. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.